We have had many news and many information for what is going on in Abia State concerning the Nigerian soldiers, how they are persecuting and they maltreat innocent Igbo youth. We are not in support the way they slaughter the soldiers. Why can't you people go and look for the people that commit that crime than to torturing innocent people, slaughtering innocent Igbo youth? We say no for this thing you people are doing to Igbos in this country. Tinubu, you said that they should hold the people that are responsible, sit at home. But Tinubu, there are a lot of people that are sponsoring Boko Haram in this country called Nigeria. Boko Haram have been slaughtered thousands of soldiers in Nigeria and the thousands of Christians, both Muslim, thousands of Nigerians has been slaughtered by the Boko Haram. And you politicians know the people among you that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen, because you politicians are said that they should give Fulani land all over Nigeria. That means that you politicians are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria. But God will judge all of you. So I want to tell Tinubu and Nigeria so that they should leave Igbos people alone. This hatred is too much. Go and fetch these people that did it. We Igbos, we are not in support of it. We are not in support of the slaughtering of soldiers. Now, innocent people, you are slaughtering them, persecuting them because of you people have authority. It's not good. It's not good. So let this thing stop. We don't need it. We Igbos, we don't need it. President Tinubu, we don't need it. If you people hate Igbo like this, give them Biafra, let them separate from Nigeria. Why are you people doing this thing to Igbos? They slaughter soldiers and you are not coming. Innocent people are suffering about it. Innocent people are suffering what they do not know about it. We have heard many things that is going on. Anything concerning Igbo, the deadly friends in this country called Nigeria, give them Biafra. Before the British come colonize this nation, Igbos, they were separate before they join us together. If they want to separate, allow them to separate. How can you beat the child and you tell that child not cry? You are beating Igbos. You are telling them they should not cry. I don't like this thing you people are doing to Igbos in this country called Nigeria. This is one of the reasons Nnamdi Kanu stood up. Whether he will die or he will live, he is talking about Biafra. Because this thing that you people are doing is not good. Why are you people persecuting innocent Igbo youth that do not do anything? Because of you people have authority. Because of the British gave you people authority to do nonsense. Anything you people want. You people think that you people are born to rule. Why Igbos are slaves? Why Igbos are born to serve? And you people are born to rule. And you people can do anything you people want. Before, you people do not have authority where Igbos is. Before, Una don't have authority over Igbos. That one Nigeria is what gave you people authority over Igbos. I'm not happy for all those things I'm seeing in this country called Nigeria. As I said before, that I myself am not in support of this thing that happened, slaughtering soldiers. I'm not in support of that. Why do you people use this opportunity to persecuting, torturing, and slaughtering innocent Igbo youth? Why? Why? Go and fetch the people that did it out. Stop persecuting innocent Igbo youth. I don't need it. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph. Please make sure that you share this message.